Hey, this is Mike with Extreme Audio and a 2014 Lexus IS250 that we added a remote start system to. We added it to the regular key fob that the car came with, as well as longer range remote controls. So we'll give you a quick rundown on how the system works. This particular car was set up with the factory push button start. So we have the OEM key fob that we added remote start to, where you press lock 3 times in a row to start the vehicle. We also set it up with add-on 1-button remote start remotes to where you can actually start and stop it from a lot farther distance away than you can with the OEM remote. These, you simply hold the button down to either start it or stop it. So once the light blinks on the remote, the car receives the signal and cuts back off. If you want to start it with this remote, you do the same thing, push and hold. And the vehicle will start. Once you've started the vehicle up and everything's warm and you're ready to leave, you simply walk up to the vehicle, hit unlock to get in. When you open the door, it is going to shut off. This is a standard feature with the Toyota Lexus profile if it has a push button factory start. So it is something that's made to keep the car from being stolen by somebody who does not have one of these keys on them. So now you would simply get in, push the button to start it, and drive away. If you're interested in a remote start for your Lexus, check us out at extremeaudio.org or swing by one of our locations in Mechanicsville or Midlothian. Information on those will be shown at the very end of the video. Thanks. Extreme Audio has 2 Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.